Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm John, and once again, you're watching Road Reality. It is a beautiful day here. It's got to be 50 degrees out, maybe 52. We'll check with the bike in a minute. But we're up here at Brighton Dam. Ta-da! Yay! Anyway, I'll throw a card up for where we are in Maryland. We're in central Maryland, but more specifics on the card. But anyway, if you watched my last video, we'll put that card up here, I think. Yeah, we came out with Jason from Ironborn Rider, had a nice ride up here, and now I'm going to ride home. So I want to show you some more back roads, and I guess this is kind of a part 2 to that video. So let's get on the bike and hit the road. I know the GPS wants me to go left. We're going right. And this is the view from on top of the dam. It looks damn nice. What a nice area this is. Temperature check is exactly 50 degrees. I'm not going down that Brighton Dam road. So if memory serves me correctly, this road will drop us off somewhere in Columbia, I think. Not really sure. There's Haviland Mill. It wants us to take a Highland Road, whatever that is. Aha, I'm confusing the GPS. Okay, it's not confused anymore. I have to say I have been very pleased with this Harley navigation system. Although I was on a group ride in 2017 and the group leader was using the Harley GPS and it tried to lead us across a cornfield. Yeah, that wasn't going to happen. So we're on Highland Road. I believe we're headed east. Yeah, northeast. Okay, that's sort of the wrong direction. That's all right. I did that on purpose, I swear. This silly thing has us basically pulling a U-turn at a traffic circle. But what road is it intersecting with? It might be something we want to ride. Well, if we're headed northeast and I make a left, then we're headed northwest. Now we're on Triadelphia Mill Road. And I got nothing to say about this road. I've never been on it. Hey look, we're taking an adventure together. This is fun. And you know it's fun because I said it was fun. So have fun. And again, it wants me to pull a U-turn. Not happening, buckaroo. So I just checked and we are definitely heading west, which is more like the way to get home. So, yay! Are you not entertained? Yeah, that's a horrible Russell Crowe impersonation, isn't it? These are some interesting corners. I like this a lot. Oh, gravel. That's why I don't push it that hard, folks. All right, we're gonna continue on Triadelphia Mill Road. And this road, even though it's got some patches on it, it is way smoother than that gold mine road we were on in the last part of this video. Yahoo! Blind corner, I have no idea what it looks like. Even with the map here, it's not very clear. Good brakes. If you can see this map, that is pretty twisty. That's kind of hilarious. Kind of like the twists and turns of life, am I right? Man, I literally could not have guessed where I'd be here. I literally could not have guessed that I would be here today talking to you fine folks and riding a Harley Davidson. It's just, that's freaking awesome. And if I want to date this video, I'll leave in a clip like, Dollar Bogan is back. He fixed whatever was going on with him and Harley, and he's back to posting videos. Yay! That makes me happy. Boy, this road is a lot of fun. Hey, there's a body of water. Note to self, figure out what that body of water is. Big branch. Looks like a nice spot to sit down and take a breather someday. Right now it's frozen over. That's some good dirt on the road. I wonder if this is the old mill that Triadelphia Mill Road is named after. What do you think? There's a very upset Porsche driver behind me. I think he wants to crack open his throttle and go around me, but he can't find room. Oh well. All right, we're now on Triadelphia Road, which will drop us out on 97. That's Maryland 97, Georgia Avenue. So I pretty much know exactly where I am now. That's pretty cool. Maybe now I can get a word in edgewise. I've been 100% consumed with staying on the road on these unfamiliar corners. That's okay. It's distraction, right? No, it's no distraction. It's focus. All right, the Jippus is dropping us off here on Roxbury Road. All right, we are now on Roxbury Road, and I know that it drops us off on Georgia Avenue. So we're just gonna follow this road. It's another one I've never been on. Wow, what a pretty sight. So tell me, does two riders make a group ride? Because if so, check that box. First group ride of 2021. So we're still on Roxbury Road, and this just looks really cool through here. The sun filtering through the trees. Where are we coming out at? What road is this? Again, we're turning left on Roxbury. Okay. All right, we're about to turn left onto Maryland 97 South. They call it Roxbury Mill Road up here, so that's what I'll put in a little card. Interesting. Did not know the name of this road was this. Here. And traffic needs to open up. Go ahead. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe I'll finally get that sunset footage I wanted. I've been trying to be out at sunset for a while now, and it hasn't worked that way, so maybe finally I can do that. And here on the right, Sunshine Burger. One of the best burgers you can find in the state of Maryland. They are delicious, but you probably don't want to see how much grease is on the walls in there. Hey, another rider. Since we're in a slow section here, just a programming note. If you see some videos pop up on the site that are of lesser quality, whether it be audio or my incessant inability to string words together, kind of like right there, just realize those videos were done before I got my new mic placement set up, and before I got the Hero 9, and before I figured out what the heck I'm doing here. So, bump. Anyway, just a quick programming note. Hey, look at that. 10,500 miles, baby. Hopefully you can see that. I recorded it twice just in case, because I'm not very good at this. Oh well, if you stuck around this long, you'll keep sticking around. I'm bound to get good at it sometime, hopefully. Hopefully, yes. Hey look, uneven pavement for motorcycles. Why does everybody else, bumpy, why does everybody else get the even pavement? Motorcyclists have to ride on the rough stuff. That's a shame. Oh. Good gracious. And this is where we came through earlier. We went that way. We came from there. Now I'm coming this way. So we've made the full cross here. You don't have a green light. Thank you. Thank goodness. End of the road work. Isn't that the same road that somebody pulled out in front of me earlier? Something about that road. And as we get to downtown Olney, such as it were, this is a city that has grown up quite a bit in the last 20 years. This used to be one of my old haunts. I don't live too far from it, but boy, it has just gotten so big. I mean, they have a Chick-fil-A. You people in New York are watching like a Chick-fil-A. We have 13 McDonald's in walking distance from our house. Good for you. But out here in Podunk, Maryland, we don't have a lot of that. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this video here. Thanks for watching to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and check back with me next week when I have more silly motorcycle adventures to go on. See? Chick-fil-A, like I said. Take care. Uh-oh, somebody's having a bad day. Let's get out of the way here. Somebody's having a very bad day. Whew. 4 cars involved? That's a lot. Whew. Well, that's the kind of stuff you see around here, I guess.